Have you experienced the joy of lost luggage? I have. Want to avoid it in the future? Coming up. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. My name is Michelle, and every Tuesday I cover a helpful and practical travel tip to save you time, money, and headaches. So today is all about packing efficiently so you don't lose your luggage. I was on my probably second or third trip to India. I had checked luggage. I was going for a couple weeks, so I had a lot of stuff. We had one heck of a ordeal on that trip. We missed our connecting flight. We had to spend the night in London. Then we finally get to India only to find our bags are not there. We only had like the clothes we had on, and then I think I had like a change of underwear, and that's it. So maybe my makeup. No, I didn't even have that. I didn't plan very well. I didn't pack very well. I threw everything in my checked luggage only to have it not arrive with me. So we had to move on to our next destination. We landed in Delhi, and then we were taking a train to Agra because that was the trip that we were going to see the Taj Mahal. So we get to our hotel now a day later and check in, and I have nothing. My husband has nothing. We have, other than like a small backpack, we had nothing. So we had no clothes to change into, anything like that. We didn't know when our luggage was going to make it. They said they found it. It was in London. They were going to get it to us, but that could be a day, could be 2 days. I didn't know how long I was going to be without clothing. What I learned from that trip was that going forward, if at all humanly possible, I wanted to travel carry-on only. Now, I haven't always done it. There have been European trips that I've gone that I haven't done carry-on only, but in the last probably 2 years, I've really scaled down what I needed into carry-on only. It saves me so much time. It saves me so much room. The only thing that gets challenging is if I'm getting souvenirs to bring back. Sometimes the space is a little bit challenging on the way home. But what I will say is that I've saved so much money in baggage fees. I have saved so much time. I don't have to go to the luggage carousel at the airport and wait for my luggage to come out. I can just get off the plane, go to immigration and customs, and I'm on my way. I'm not wasting all this time going to another stop along the way. Not to mention, everything I need is in my carry-on luggage. I don't have to worry about things getting lost. I don't have to worry about my luggage not arriving with me. Even if I happen to get gate checked with my rollerboard, it's okay because those are the last ones to go on the plane, and I know they're there because they got loaded at the gate. So those are not going to be the ones that get lost. It's going to be your checked luggage that you check in at the ticket counter. Those are the ones that are going to get lost. So I've managed to figure out how to pack so that I can do carry-on only. And I will share some packing tips for you in an upcoming video of exactly how I go about managing that for even up to a 2-week trip. So I'll share that in an upcoming video. If you found today's tip helpful, make sure you give me that thumbs up. I appreciate the feedback. I'd love to help you guys out with your burning questions, your mishaps, your headaches that you encounter when you travel. I'd love to come up with a tip for you. Put that in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe because every Tuesday I come out with a new travel tip and you don't want to miss a thing. Thank you for watching Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. Until next time, travel safe.